Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, and we are here now to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be seen as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a projected change of approximately -2.49% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -8.97% to +4.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 33.04% over the next year, with expected returns between 27.94% and 50.58%. In terms of pricing, this equates to a range from $590.86 to $695.40 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Tuesday trading session. The price of the QQQ ETF decreased by 3.04% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, dropping from $476.27 to $461.81. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.02%, with a day low of $459.41 and a day high of $473.30. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a decrease of 4.04% for this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, though this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 44 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $20.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 8.28%, or $41.71, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, indicate a mixed outlook. As of the 3rd of September, QQQ's fundamentals remain strong, allowing it to maintain a hold rating amidst concerns over election year jitters and the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting. While the overall economic environment is supportive, with a robust labor market bolstering consumer spending, QQQ is viewed as less sensitive to interest rate changes compared to competing exchange-traded funds like SPY, which has drawn a buy rating. The introduction of new leveraged exchange-traded funds with monthly and weekly resets may also shake up the competitive landscape, potentially attracting short-term traders seeking volatility. Despite this, QQQ's historical performance remains compelling, having delivered significant returns in recent years. However, interest rates have begun to decline, which could affect the performance of leveraged products such as the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF. In the short term, these factors may lead to fluctuating sentiment among investors, potentially impacting QQQ's stock price as market participants react to macroeconomic indicators and regulatory developments. Looking further ahead, if consumer confidence remains strong, QQQ could benefit from sustained demand for tech-heavy exposure, possibly driving its valuation higher over time. Overall, while some caution is warranted due to external pressures, the underlying strength of QQQ positions it well for continued investor interest. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF is currently showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $473.17 and $467.05. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and so far it has fallen by 4.29%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 9 days ago, Bollinger Bands, buy signal from 21 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 196 days ago. For further insights and signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $448.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $13.89 between its high and low, which is approximately 3%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.89%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, hinting at a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $463.38. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment choice? The QQQ ETF shows several concerning indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to exhibit weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. As such, we have adopted a negative outlook on this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses reflected in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this ETF from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of September, we expect QQQ to open at a decline of $3.03, beginning trading at $464.84. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.